channel. So in this video I'm going to be recreating one of my very first Royal High outfits, and I'm going to give you guys a warning, they are very cringe. So the reason why I'm recreating them is like, before when I just started Royal High, I literally had no accessory. I just had that flower crown you win from the wheels. So all of my outfits, that was the only accessory I used. I literally had nothing. So now I think I have a good amount of accessories and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to recreate it. So let's move on to the first outfit now. This is how the outfit looks like. I changed the body shape because it was like really blocky. So yeah. Okay, so I don't know why is my skin so white. Okay, let's start with the recreating. Okay, let me just change it to normal color. Okay, so I think I am going with like a flower theme. That's what I think. So maybe I could do something with a flower theme. And is this purple okay? That's blue. Yeah, this is fine. I think this is the closest I could find. You guys can see that I have a lot of colors in my custom palette. So whenever I'm making an outfit or something, it's really easy for me to do so. Also, I'm using this corset and the cottage princess skirt because I think these are like really nice. Like, you know what I mean. I'm going for a flower theme, and I think the closest thing I could see with a flower theme is like maybe a cottage type of theme. I could be a villager. I don't know. I think so. I don't like the clips that much. So yeah. Okay, let me find some sleeves. We have a lot of sleeves. These? No, they look like gloves. I don't know why. Is it just me or they look like gloves? These maybe? Ooh, these are nice. I'm not sure. We also have the new ones. What do you call it? The summer fantasy. Ooh, these are nice. I love these. These are like my favorite sleeves ever. And in case you guys didn't know, the new set is like my favorite set ever. And have you guys seen the new realm? It's so nice and so pretty. Like, you even have like a cycle to roam around the city. I mean the beach or whatever you want to call. It's like so nice. I don't think there was ever like a vehicle before. No, I don't think so. So that's like really nice. The developers did such an amazing job. Okay, now I'm using this basket because, as I said before, I'm giving it a villager flower type look. Yeah, you know what I mean. I'm not a fan of the face either. I don't know. I just don't like it. These maybe bunnies. No, not really. Okay, so now it's time for the in here stuff. This? No, I don't like that. I don't like that flower crown because I don't know, you just cannot change the color of it, and that's like really annoying for me, to be honest. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay, let me change the face. So I think I'm going to be using a face by Magalo. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this creator is amazing. The faces are the best. Ooh, this is so nice. This one or that one? I think I like this one. This one is so pretty. Okay, now time for the hair. So I was thinking that maybe I could do a different hair, but the thing, but the thing is that I also have to keep something same. Like, something needs to be same, right? You know what I mean? This one. I don't know. I think I like the other hair better. They are called Fruity Cutie. I'm just gonna get rid of the clips because I'm like that. This is how the final look looks like. Okay, so I ended up adding the back bow, and I didn't change the hair because I feel like the hair looked really nice with the flower crown. Like, look, it looks so nice. Okay, then we have the new sleeves. This basket, it's called the strawberry picnic basket, I think. I'm not sure. We have the glittering jelly platforms because I think there needs to be a little bit of heel. I'm using the cottage princess skirt and the Mystery Rose corset, and the hair called Fruity Cutie. So, and the face is by, I heard the name, you guys. Okay, so now it's time for outfit number 2. So this is the second outfit, and oh my god, why am I using a flower crown with this look? Like, it's so scary. I don't know why. Okay, so I changed the body again because I feel like it was really blocky. I don't know why, but yeah, it was. Okay, so we're using these hair called Megan. Okay, why do I have the flower crown? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm not sure what to do, but let me take a corset. I think I'm gonna use this one, or I could either use this one. Yeah, sure, we can use this one. I like this one. I never really use this one except for the set, like when I'm making the whole set. So yeah, I got the chance to use it. Okay, so for the skirts, I might go for the Royal Rebel. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so this look is, I don't know what I was thinking, but why did I add the flower crown? Like, this look is so cringy. And the face is kind of scaring me. It's so scary. Okay, and the outfit, you guys can see, it has like these neck type of things. I don't know what you call it. So the only thing that I own that has necks are the Shadow Emperor shoes. So why not wear these? Okay, that looks okay. Sleeves. These I like these. Oh no, okay. These, I love these sleeves, but you can only wear them with, you can't wear them with lacy stuff because the hair and the skirt and everything is just glitching a lot, and that's like really annoying. So I hate that. I just love the new sleeves. They have like these, what do you call it, the rings, and yeah, I love everything about them. Okay, let me color in black and white. So the original colors that I am using are black and white. So yeah, these. Okay, I like the basket, how it looks. You change the coloring of the flowers because yeah, I like these better. For the face, I might use it by Ivan. I'm not sure. I really like their faces, but this one I'm not using a face like this. Okay, I'm not sure what face to use. Maybe something with gray eyes. Oh, okay, that is definitely better than the way it looked before. Okay, now time for the hair. I'm not sure about what type of hair to use. Maybe these. Why is my hair so black? I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm making dark outfits, my hair always like this brown color, because black and black just, I don't know, it's just too much and I cannot see anything. So yeah, I like this better. Okay, let me just search it. How about these? I'm not the biggest fan of the clips, but yeah, okay, these are nice. Now it's time for the hat. I don't know, but I just love this hat so much. It's just so nice. Okay, I'm gonna color this white, and yeah, I'm gonna do this. Color this black and this. Okay, now let's go. Okay, I like this, the way this looks. White. Do you want to be white or do you want it to be black? Yeah. So this is the final look, and this is how it looks like. So what do you guys think? I'm using the Shadow Emperor shoes, the Royal Rebel skirt, the new, what do you call it? I always forget the name. The Summer Fantasy corset. I'm using the same sleeves, and I'm using the Dear Dolly bag though because I really like it. And I don't remember. Okay, what hair am I using? Let me check really quickly. These are called Eleanor. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Then I'm using the spring bucket hat. And I added these glasses, and I think it's a hat. It looks like you're wearing glasses on top of your hat. I don't know how to explain it. And we're chewing some bubble gum, and we have a basket. Okay guys, so this was the final look. I also like saved the, what do you call it, the outfits. Okay, so the old outfits, actually what happened was I deleted, then it just took a billion years. I had to, like, you know, what do you call it, find every single thing again and put it together. I know why I deleted it, but actually to be honest, the truth is, when I started why do I keep saying adopt me, Royal High, I had absolutely no clue that you could save outfits. So yeah. Well guys, so this is the first outfit and that was the other one. Well guys, so, and I think I'm really happy with the recreation. Okay guys, so this is our video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next